So we're just gonna go over some of the gains from today from trading stock options. So if you're interested in learning how to trade stocks, then I teach this stuff. I've done an entire playlist on this specific trade, going through the setup that we were looking for and then executing it once it actually happens. This is the execution. Like I say here, back-to-back four-figure days. I made a video yesterday showing some of the gains, and I just typically don't actually put the dollar amounts that I actually made, but you can see this is the four-figure day. So that's an alert going off at ES telling me to sell my puts, but I've already sold. But like I was saying, you can see that this is another four-figure day. And I typically will speak in percentages so that people can understand whether I'm making just 10% on a trade. So if I'm making $1,000, you don't know if I put 10,000 on a trade and only make 10%, or did I put 1,000 on a trade and make 100%? Either way, I made $1,000. So I like to speak in percentages so that people understand what they can do with that kind of money in their own account. So these are some of the gains. Like I said, if you're interested in learning how to trade stocks, if you're interested in long-term investing, this is the kind of stuff you want to know about, because like I told you guys in the video prior, somebody who was buying shares long term, they have to know these things, because when you get in these positions, you're going to have really big drawdowns. So in the past couple of weeks, about the last month, a month exactly, SPY is down 11 some percent, like 11.5% in a month. Imagine somebody with $500,000 in a retirement account. They get ready to retire in 10 years, and they keep seeing their account just swing up and down 15%. I mean, these are stock positions, equity positions. They're not supposed to swing like that. So understanding this type of technical analysis that we teach and literally have gone over every single day, that's the type of stuff. I mean, you can make money from it trading it like I do, or you can make money or manage your own money like with long-term retirement accounts for stocks if you're a long-term investor. And this one was simple. It was a false breakout that caught a lot of people right here. You broke down, and like I said, if you open below that gap and flush and don't reclaim it, then you're probably headed to break down the other side. So you got to break down on the other side as well. So that's where we are right now, and I'm just chilling, waiting for the next setup. I pretty much explained it like being in a 50-50 position. I also had some IWM puts, so that was something else too. IWM is pretty much the same setup as SPY and QQQ, but if we look at QQQ, same thing. They all just kind of sitting after in a pretty nice demand area. Not nice enough for me to go long, but nice enough for me to get out of my shorts. So that you just see how I manage the position, and then I'll basically be looking for a re-entry up in this area because we broke that support. I guess yesterday in the video I talked about turning this red. So yeah, we turned this red, and then I just know when I look at my chart, I'll just put an alert here to tell myself QQQ at a retest. So then I'll come look at the chart once the alert goes off, and then I'll do something. So I honestly probably just put that line there so that I know to start looking to possibly take a position if I'm looking to go short. We'll see how things look. Today is quiet witching, so it could get pretty crazy, but I'm just worried about what happens more so into close today. So that's that. We got FOMC next week, so next week's going to be crazy. The next few days could be pretty crazy, so I would just say stay nimble, stay light, and focus on longer term stuff for now, and definitely keep your stops tight, because we don't have a bias right now until the next setup comes. We're in one of those 60-40, honestly 50-50 situations. So until that 80-20, 90-10 come, we're not doing nothing, we chilling. So check out the playlist. Like I said, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with more content. And go to my Instagram at 6fatdaddy9. And then if you want to join the mentorship, talk about this stuff day by day, intraday, weekends, all that stuff. Teach this stuff specifically to people who are in the mentorship program. So if you're interested in having more details and having like one-on-one sessions, then definitely go to 6fatdaddy9 on Instagram and click the link in my bio. So I catch y'all later.